Ladies and gentlemen, yung roadmap natin sa iPro, community talaga. Hindi to guru or whatever. Kaya dito, yung kumbaga, this is a community where you can grow. So, supportahan namin kayo. You wanna become a fund manager? Yes, let's help you build your portfolio. Sabi natin, mahusay ka ng trader, pero ang kailangan mo na lang is financer. Pwede ka namin connect sa mga wealthy individuals. Si JDR, nagbibigay yan ng trading account sa mahuhusay. Sir, how do we qualify for that? Dapat meron kayong months of magandang portfolio, meaning consistent yung kinikita nyo. Hindi yung biglang malaking kita or biglang malaking loss. Kasi yung portfolio, yung trading account nyo na to, yung ginagawa nyo ngayon, yan yung para maging resume nyo. If you are looking for reliable forex trading education, dito tayo sa iPro. Bakit? We teach quality knowledge for free! Plus, we have a supportive community who learns together, trade together, which eventually grows together. So tara sa next Forex Trading Orientation. Click the link sa description or comment section to save your spot now. See you sa next bootcamp, Kaya Pro!